Hi, I just wanted to talk you guys through some of the updates on Vertex Skin Weights version 4.0. I just made a few small quality of life improvements, and I've also added a new feature. So let me quickly run you guys through what it is. So you have your pin here to pin a selection, to put it at the top of the list. I've also now put this lock selection. So for example, before, if I had that selected and I moved to another vertex, it will deselect it and then you have to select it again to assign weights. Now you can lock that selection. This little lock will appear next to it, and now no matter what you do, even if there's no weights assigned to it, that selection would be locked. So we can keep on assigning weights to it. So this works on one vertex, and it can work as many as you want to lock that selection, and then it will stay selected and it will also remain in your list. So this is so that you can keep on assigning weights to those. If you want to get rid of those locks, you just unlock all again. So this is the new lock selection and unlock all feature. The other main one that I should have really included from the beginning is this max bones per vertex. So before you could clean up your verts, so all the cleanup tools are now here, and then here you can set the maximum bones per vertex. So for example, this one at the moment has, say, 5. And this only gets activated when you actually do the cleanup command here. So this one will put this max value for your entire mesh. It will run through your entire mesh and make sure there's no more than 8 bones assigned to one vertex, where this will only do the selected bones. So say for this vertex over here, say I change that to 3, and then I set that. It will make sure it will get rid of the lower ones and renormalize these. And if I want to do it for the entire mesh, see there's loads here, and 3 would be too little for this, but anyway, we can do it. So I can go here and do it for the entire mesh. And now none of these will have more than 3 bones per vertex assigned. And you can set this to any number. So yeah, I hope that makes it a lot more useful for, especially if you're skinning for games, for for mobile phones, that you really got to be careful how many bones are assigned to a particular vertex. But it's just like another tool that I hope will help you guys a lot. Cool. Cheers. Bye.